much for liking my videos and watching them, because I see that one of them got 21 views, and I'm very happy about that, so thank you so much. Let's see which ones got 21 views. Okay. How to Find Me and How and About a Movie, a new movie coming, has 2 views. Okay. Burping video 1, there will be more or not. Dun dun dun. 21 views. How I Do My Hair episode 1, 5 views. How I Do My Nails, 23 views. How I Do My Makeup, 13 views. Part 1 discussion of our movies, part 2 coming soon. 10 views. So thank you guys so much. I mean, usually my YouTube channel sucks. So this video is a burping video. I see that one's gotten a lot of views, so I'm gonna keep on doing that. Oh my gosh, my eyes are watering. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna definitely work on my burping. So, guys, thank you so much. I have a quick announcement to make. My grandfather does this website called www.johnskidsfashionclothes.com. You can order stuff and contact them and everything. There's school clothes, you have Hannah Montana pajamas, three-piece polo sets, baby Disney outfits, Hannah Montana jacket. Okay, wow, there's a lot of Hannah Montana things. Hello Kitty outfit, Kenneth Cole outfit, Dora, okay, a Dora outfit. Well, some kids like Dora. Ada's t-shirt, SpongeBob t-shirt, Dora outfit. Oh my gosh. Cars jacket, Camp Champion two-piece outfit, Arizona jeans, Ada sweater. There's tons more, and it says here that 50 to 70 price below store prices. So you'll get a great deal in that. And I think if you ask to talk to somebody, you can talk to my grandpa. But anyways, please do that. Also, this book that my mom wrote is called Amber Shadows and the Missing Wands. I made a video at the end. I told you guys about it, which you guys have like about 15 views, I think. It's about a magic witch that she's trying to fight the evil to find her parents and grandparents. So I encourage you to read. The movie is actually really coming. This great director, he's really cool. He's a friendly director too, which I like. Is he does a lot of like pictures and animation stuff. But you know what, guys? He's awesome. He's doing my mom's book, and that's super awesome. So I'm not sure when I have to go, but I'll be uploading a video like right after this one. Okay, bye guys.